Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new to my channel, then my name is Mezabin Pinky and I live in Australia. And before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. So as you guys know that I missed my August and September favorites video. So I was away for a couple of weeks and I went to Fiji. If you guys haven't watched my blog, that simple kind of blog I made, my travel blog, I will link it somewhere in the video. So I went with my kids, and there it was like very hot. The weather, I didn't like the weather of Fiji. Like, it's so hot. I just hate it. So we needed something for our skin, our hand, and like whatever part of our body showed up. We applied this cream. My kids love this cream too, and this cream I bought, no, I didn't buy it, but I got it from Bellabox. It's a monthly subscription box. You guys must have seen me unboxing. So this is the first product we have been using a lot when we were in Fiji this last month in September. So this product is by Sunbum, and it's a SPF 50 plus, and it also has 4-hour water resistant. This is the product. This is a very moisturizing cream, and you can use it as a like sunscreen or just a moisturizer. It works very well, and this product is just amazing. I will be buying this product again. So this is the first product, and let's move on. And the second product is this Lacura Naturals Licorice Extract and Silk Protein. I have talked about this product before in my videos, and this product is premium anti-aging day cream. You can apply to cleanse face, skin, and gently smooth onto skin until completely absorbed, and it's also suitable for use under makeup. So, and also I apply it under my eye area, like it doesn't burn, it doesn't irritate my eye or anything, and it's just an amazing product. And it says, skincare tip, we recommend Lacura Naturals Premium Anti-Aging Moisturizing Night Cream, and it will help complete your skincare regime. So this product comes also with a night cream, and this is only a day cream I bought just because I wanted to try it first, and I love it so much, so I will be like buying a day and night cream together this time. So I love this product, and this is only sold in LD supermarket here in Australia. So let's move on. And the third product, which I have been loving a lot in September and also till now, this Max Hyper Real Foundation font. I don't know how to say this, but you can use this under your makeup, like under your foundation, and it's just wow. Oh my gosh, I just love it so much. It's just a glow kind of thing which you apply under your makeup, and I'm gonna just, it will give that natural glow to your skin. And I used a lot of this under my makeup at night time, and if you just want that sun fresh glow on your skin, this product is just amazing. And you can wear this under your makeup, and also you can just wear it like that, or just apply as a highlighter to the high points on your face, and like any way you can apply this Max Hyper Real Foundation. Just look at the natural glow it gave to my skin here, and it's just an amazing product, and I just love it. So much. So this was the third product by MAC, and you can easily get this in Sephora, I think, I don't know, but in maccosmetics.com, I think, yeah. And yeah, here in Australia, I think you can get in Maya and David Jones. I think so. So the next product is this lip balm, which is by Pixie, and this is a shea butter lip balm. It looks like this, and this was so handy when we were on our holiday. Girls loved to use this, and it's just pigmented, so you apply it as a lipstick or just like it's pigmented, and at the same time it's a moisturizing lip balm too, so it's very nice. And this product I also got in my Bellabox, and I think you can get this product online, and if you can't see the name, I will be leaving it on the screen so you guys can see. So the next product is this Revlon's Color Stay Powder, and this one is in shade I-20 Light Pale. So this powder is amazing. I have been using like every day when I wear makeup, and I still use this every day. I don't know how long this will last, and I just love it so much. And let me open and show you guys. It's like this, and it also comes with a mirror here and also a powder applicator, and it's written here Revlon, and I just love this product. I like to set my makeup with this powder, like I apply it all over my face after applying concealer and foundation. So yeah, I love it so much, and I think Revlon products you can get easily anywhere. So the next product is, this is my favorite since I bought this product, and it was lying here but I didn't use. I thought, okay, I will give it a go, so I tried this blush, and this blush I got it from Kmart, and it's their Fifth Avenue Blush Compact. So this blush is literally amazing. Just look at the color. It's so gorgeous blush, and I just love this shade, and I used it a lot. I took it, I think, to Fiji, and I used like nearly every day. So we had to like get ready every day, and this blush was very handy for me, and it's small and it's good for traveling too. So yeah, I love it. And moving on, the next product is, this product is my current favorite, in my like all-time favorite since I bought this, and this product is by Wet n Wild. They are Photo Focus Mini Natural. I think this is a fixing makeup setting spray, and it's literally so gorgeous, and it just sets my makeup so well. I have used it on my face here, because once I buy one setting spray, I like keep on using it. But somewhere there is more setting spray in this room, but yeah, I have to find them. So this product is sold by Glam Rider here. You know, Glam Rider is one of my favorite online shopping place where I shop all their makeup products. It's a photo focus setting spray, so it's good, and it gives that flawless like long lasting coverage to your makeup, so your makeup stays longer. And also I use this with my foundation too. While applying foundation, I spray it on my face, then I apply foundation. That way my foundation stays longer, and it looks very flawless too. And literally price wise, this product is just amazing. And yeah, I know most of you guys must be using it, and in US and other states, like other countries, they sell in drugstore, but here we don't get this product in stores, but only we get online. So yeah, I buy always from Glam Rider. And now let's move on, and this product is by Rihanna, her Fenty Beauty collection, and this is a Pro Filter foundation in the shade 310, and this product is my it's my holy grail foundation. I just love it so much. Literally, this foundation gives such a flawless coverage, and oh my god, I just love it so much. It's almost finished, and I have to get it again. Like, I will buy 1 to 2 shade lighter than 310, so 290 or 300 will be okay. So when I apply that foundation and it dries, it will give that it gives flawless coverage, but it will match my skin very well. But this foundation I always use with this color step powder, light to pale, so it's a good combination. But for this foundation you don't have to set after applying, but I always set when I apply this foundation because it's like bit of darks and it my face gets a bit dark. But you don't have to set this. So this foundation is amazing, and it's literally just an amazing product. And I haven't tried much of Rihanna's Fenty Beauty products, but I love this foundation so much that I am so desperate to try more of her products. So now let's move on, and the next product is these perfumes by Victoria's Secret, and I've got 3 of these perfumes which I used a lot. And this is I bought from Priceline. It's a chemist here, and it smells so much. As you can see how much I have used since I got, and I think I got a month ago this one, and I used a lot in September, and I took this to Fiji too, and we used a lot. And look at this one, it smells so nice. It's just literally such an amazing product, and it's not expensive, it's cheap, and I think it's $20 to $25 in Priceline, but I'm not sure. But I think so it's $20 to $25 or under $20 at $19. But this product is just wow. It smells just wow. Now let's move on, and these are some of the products which I used a lot, and this is one of the hair care treatment, and this one is Extra Care Hair Repair Leave-In Treatment, and it's a normal hair, I think, for normal hair, and it's a liquid keratin, and it's plus complete nourishments, and it's for all hair type by Swatches. So this is just a leave-in hair treatment, and it's just an amazing product too, and it just comes like this, and you just apply it on your hair like this. So this product is so good, and we used a lot when we went to Fiji. So this treatment is amazing, and it's nourished, and it also gives your hair that shiny look. And this product is for even normal hair, requires a dose of nourishment to keep it looking healthy and full of shine. Extra Care Normal Balance offers. So this is a deep nourishment without overdoing. So, and it also gives that healthy shine we always want, and it's just a leave-in keratin treatment, and it's just amazing product by Swatches. And now the next product is this. This is also a Extra Care hair repair, and it's a it has precious caring oils, and it is also for all hair types, and this is suppleness and shine. So I know most of you guys must have seen this product, and also this leave-in hair treatment, and these all I bought from Kmart. No, not Kmart, I bought from Coles, and Coles is a supermarket here, and these products are also sold in Woolworths and Kmart, Target, I think, yeah. And this oil is just an amazing oil, and I have used like couple of bottles already, and this is like I just opened 2-3 days ago, and my girls have been using this a lot. And it's so you can apply just on your hair after washing it, on towel dried hair, or like this when your hair is dry you can apply it like this. And this product is awesome. And the next product is also by Swatches, and this product I just bought a few weeks ago, and I have used few times of this. This is also extra care hair repair oil serum, and this has oil and coconut. So this product is also sold by Coles, and I think I'm at Coles, Woolworths, Target, they all sell these products, and Swatches product. And this one is do you have normal or stressed hair. So this has that beads inside this, as you guys can see, these beads inside, and it's literally so good. I love it. Just want to show you guys. It comes out like this. It comes out with the beads, and it's like this, and oh gosh, smells so good. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you guys are using any of these products, let me know in the comment box below. And if you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. It's totally free of charge. And thanks for watching. I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.